Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. We are inside the 2024 Delano 24FB. Some very cool changes I wanted to take a few minutes and show you. First, right here. Now, if you like a dinette, you can get a dinette, but if you want power reclining theater seats, oh my gosh, this is the floor plan for you. A quick touch of the button and look at this. Up they come. You have this table right here. You can swivel this around to either side. Cup holders, storage right here. There's your other table if you want to, if you want this person. If you want to share tables, you can. If you want your own, it stores right in here, pops into place, and now everybody has a place to just sit back, eat, maybe do a little work, watch TV. This is a great place to do all of that because we have internet on board. This is the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. That is going to give you internet wherever you go. You can also use it to tap into nearby Wi-Fi signals. So a great setup no matter what. Maybe you want to work and watch TV because we all know how productive that can be, right? Back here, we have a nice shelf and some storage right back here. So lots of room for all of everything. All of everything. That's what we're going to call this. Storage right up top. You have lights inside. Hidden hinges. These are Technoform cabinets, so they're going to be very durable. Were designed in Italy back in 1965, mainly for the marine industry, and then it's kind of transferred over, so it's going to stand up to heat, humidity, all the abuse you can throw at them, and they are gorgeous, aren't they? They are absolutely gorgeous looking. Let's go ahead and put this down. Oh, as this slides down, check this out. You have USB-A charging ports right in here, so all your devices can stay charged here or right up there in the net. But that maybe you reserve that for the person sleeping in the overhead bunk. 500-pound capacity up there, so there's a ladder, there's a sky shade, great place to just catch some sleep. Now this is going to be called our Greystone decor with our modern mocha woodwork. So beautiful looking inside this 24FB. How about our campsite kitchen here? You do have counter space, a pop-up outlet, single bowl sink. Over here you have your 2-burner gas cooktop, and then down below, convection microwave, and there is now an air fryer button in there, which is a really great feature. I've gotten into air frying. I air fry. We use ours at our house every day, multiple times a day, because it does everything so well. We even tried some veggies. We haven't had any great recipes that have actually worked, but just experiment and you'll find something you like, right? Let's talk a little about power on this baby. So here we have our Rapid Cam Plus where you can control everything from lights, check your tank levels, check your house batteries, start your generator on here. A couple of generator options. 4,000 watt propane and generator comes standard, or you can option in the 3,200 watt diesel generator. When you option in the 3,200 watt diesel generator, you don't have the lithium house battery, you have an AGM house battery. So think about what you want and how you want to use it. And then over here, this floor plan here is equipped with the one-touch leveling jacks, but also electric stabilizers come standard. So depending on how you want to use your coach. Up front, a table goes here. These seats swivel, so you have more seating here. So there's seating for everybody up front. And this is going to be a Mercedes Sprinter chassis. So all the safety, all the tech you want in a motorhome, this is it. And Mercedes is slowly taking and, oh, what an upgrade this is going to be. Switching from the 6-cylinder to the dual stage 4-cylinder turbo. So that's going to give you 211 horsepower, 332 pound-feet of torque, and a 9-speed transmission. So a great driving motorhome, and one you're going to want to take everywhere. This is really a great couples coach, right? So you're going to have sleeping up here, maybe sleeping if you option the dinette, but right here is just the ultimate in do everything multi-purpose areas. Sofa right here, so you can sit down here and you have your phone and everything plugged in and charging, and then you're thinking, I'm tired, I'm ready to go to bed. It's got you covered right here. We're just going to move our cushions right over here. You're going to hook your microphone right back up and drop that in your pocket. And then you're going to flip the armrest down and right over here, turn the key to on, hit down, and Down comes your Murphy bed, just like that. Pillows are stored in the closet right now. You have a good night's sleep. There's storage up above when you are done. You wake up in the morning, you press the button, just that easy and quick. And then you put your cushions back in place, flip your armrests, and check that out. Look at that. Now it's back in sofa mode. Flip that back. I just told you to do that. There you go. And storage in the back. This is going to be our 12-volt fridge, so we are going to have an auto gen start as well. A lot of room back here. See, there's the pillows. You got backpacks in here. But Tom hit up the bathroom. Plenty of closet space back here. You're going to have everything you need for a bathroom on the road, from your toilet to your shower, your sink. And a rear bath setup is always nice and convenient. And getting that all taken care of, the plumbing and whatnot, super easy to do. We're going to take a little stroll around the outside and talk about some of the great features we have out here on the Delano 24FB. So this is going to be our full body paint, beautiful looking motorhome. Large storage bay right here, so you can load that up with whatever you need. GFCI outlets right there when you want to plug whatever it is in you need to plug in. This also has the optional blind spot monitoring on it, which is always great when you are in a motorhome. You can't beat it. And then down here, this is the 3,200 watt diesel generator we were talking about. Back here, another little storage bay. And even another little storage bay. As we move around back here, we do have our 5,000-pound hitch. 7-pin connector as well, so you can hook up and tow with that. This is going to be a 30 amp coach, so here's our 30 amp shore power cord. Down below is our wet bay. Real easy to set up here. You just take and you hook up whatever you need to hook up, and then you turn the switches to whatever you need to do and get her done. Another storage bay underneath here. We got another one built right into the slide wall right here. So all kinds of storage on this. You can take whatever you need for long, extended trips. Again, it's a great couples coach. It's the 2024 Delano 24FB. One of the great Delano floor plans when you are ready to build your own. You know where to go, thormotorcoach.com.